Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're working on booty with body weight. No gear except for your yoga mat. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. We're gonna be using repetitions. Don't forget you guys, January's workout calendar is available. Click the link in the description box down below this video. Sign up for your workout calendar. And once you sign up, I'll send them every month to you for the rest of the year and beyond this year. So get that there, let's get started. We are going to be starting with some fire hydrants. Man, we haven't done these in a long time. Coming here, down on all fours, you want a neutral spine. You don't want any of this and you don't want any of this. Just nice and neutral. You can even like shake your booty, figure it out. And here we go. We are going to be lifting up the leg to the side as high as you can and bringing it back down. So we're hitting the side booty here, you guys. We've got 3 sets of 15 each side. We're gonna do one side, second side, rest. Let's get started. Great job, go ahead and switch. Good job. 10-second rest. Remember, if you have your Apple Watch, put that bad boy on, track your fitness. Moving into set 2, here we go. Great job. Switch. Last set of 15 on each side, you guys. Let's get it. You can feel the burn, huh? I can feel the burn. Whew, feels good. Great job. Switch legs. Give yourself 20 seconds. While you're doing that, I'm gonna show you our form. So here we go, coming down into this position, we're gonna do some donkey kickbacks, giving our back nice and neutral again. Nothing like this and nothing like that. You just want a nice flat back. And we're going to be doing some donkey kicks. So for these donkey kicks, we want a full extension of the leg. So straight leg, we're not doing bended knee. That's the motion. All right, guys, it's 20 seconds. We're gonna do 3 sets of 15 each leg. Leg, leg, break, just like we did. Let's get started. Good job. Second leg. All the way up, guys. Great job. 10 seconds. Moving into set 2. Great job. 10 seconds. Set 3. Great job, guys. Turning over, we're gonna do glute bridges. So here we are, this position on our back. We are going to put the heels down. Back is nice and flat to the ground. Remember, flex your core if you have to, or go like this just to get your back on the ground. Sometimes we tend to arch our backs. So here we go. Feet are down in this position, shoulder width apart. Up and squeeze, down, up and squeeze. When you lower your body down, don't just lower your butt down, lower your whole body down. We got 3 sets of 15. Let's get started.
I feel like all these people in this room don't shine like you. If I could bottle you up, I would tip you like cosmic juice. Go, give me that good love, good, good love. All night, don't need your cash, I got my own to spend it on you. If I like, if you wanna dance, we can dream until the
I'm going to show you our last exercise. So bringing the body up off the ground, keeping your back nice and straight, core is tight, and your glutes are flexed here. We are going to step out and bring our leg back in. Step out and bring our leg back in. When you step out, try not to let your body dip. You wanna keep your body up as nicely as possible to keep the tension on the leg, on the glute, that's holding your body up in the first place. So here we go. This is what it should look like instead of this. Okay, so try to keep your body up. Core is nice and tight. Like I said, flex those glutes and step slowly if you have to, just to keep your body where you want it to be. You're gonna feel the burn. 3 sets of 15. Last exercise, you guys, let's get it.
Bang, bang, na 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 na, bang, bang, na 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 na. Oh my God, think I'm in trouble. Bang, bang, na 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 na, bang, bang, na 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 na. Oh my God, think I'm in trouble. Ooh, you showed up and made me wonder, looking fun but kinda dangerous too. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, I can lift it off the ground. I don't know what you've done, but it's just too good.
For today, great job. I hope you enjoyed this booty workout with body weight only. I hope your glutes are sore. I will leave a stretch on the screen, a nice cool down for you guys right there. Don't forget, get your January calendar and I'll see you guys in that video. Bye.